In this quick and easy tutorial, we will learn how to draft a flutter sleeve, which is what I'm wearing right now. It is a perfect sleeve for summer dresses and tops. I will also share with you a quick little tip on how to insert this type of sleeve in order to avoid underarm bulk and excess amount of fabric. All right, let's get started. For drafting this flutter sleeve, you will need just one thing, a regular sleeve pattern, preferably of the same size as for the blouse or the top that you are sewing, but even if they don't match, it's not a big deal, you can always adjust it later. First step is to create a full sleeve by taping two sides of the sleeve together. These are two identical parts. Next, measure 1 inch or 2 centimeters from the center of the sleeve and fold onto itself about 4 times. You can fold more or less, it just depends on how full of a sleeve you want to make. Next step is to cut into the folds, almost to the very edge, but not cutting through. This is super important. After that, lay the sleeve pattern on your tracing paper and spread it about 1 inch or 2 centimeters apart. Here you can play around by adding more or less volume, just depends on your taste preference. You can also use tape to secure the sleeve so it doesn't move while you're tracing around it. And for this video purpose, I'm going to do this super quick since I've done this before. Now you have the full flutter sleeve pattern. Awesome! Mark the side which will attach to the shoulder seam of the blouse. This is very important since it's super easy to confuse. Fold the sleeve in half and trim any uneven spots to make sure that both sides of the sleeves are identical. The edge of the sleeve is finished using rolled hem. Now the final step is to actually attach the sleeve to your top. Now here's the deal, you can do it in two ways. First is just a very classic way like you would sew any other sleeve. And the second, here's a little trick. What I like to do is to overlap the corners of the sleeve just a little bit to create a flowier sleeve and avoid the underarm bulk that will be created if you sew the sleeve just like any other one. Now I find that this works really well for this kind of a design. And once you're done basting the sleeve to the top, all you gotta do is just trim the excess amount of fabric. The final result should look something like this. Our top is complete and ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Meanwhile, enjoy some other videos right over here and right over here. And until next time, sew up a storm and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!